Madam
Yes,
Chair, pwede ba kami naman muna, hindi naman sunod-sunod na
binigyan.
sila na lang. Madam Chair, please.
So,
May I
You proceed.
raise a
Before you proceed,
parliamentary
conference.
inquiry, Madam Chair?
Please wait to be acknowledged
Yes,
before
ma'am,
you speak.
pero-
So ngayon, I would like to inform the body that we are in receipt of a letter dated 10 September 2024. And I will read the letter. It is addressed to the Speaker. Dear Speaker Romualdez, the Office of the Vice President has submitted all necessary documentation to the House of Representatives Committee on Appropriations, including a detailed presentation on the proposed budget for fiscal year 2025. I have also articulated my position on the issues outlined in my opening statement during the previous hearing on 27 August 2024. We defer entirely to the discretion and judgment of the committee regarding our budget proposal for the coming year. Very truly yours, Sara Z. Duterte. Notably, there is no categorical mention in the letter as to whether the Vice President intends to attend the hearing or not, and so we extended courtesy to her office by waiting for 1 hour. So, but I would also like to mention to the body that we are joined by resource persons from the Commission on Audit as well as from the DBM, and I would like the COMSEC to acknowledge your presence.
Good morning. Thank you, Madam Chair. May we kindly request our resource persons to please acknowledge when your name is mentioned. From the Commission on Audit, Audit Team Leader, Office of the Vice President, Fahad bin Abdul Malik Tumawis.
Sir.
State Auditor 1, Zara Jane Fegalan. Supervising Auditor 5, Imelda Celso.
Good morning.
Attorney 5, Intelligence and Confidential Funds Audit Office, or ICFAO, Attorney Gloria Camora.
Present, sir. Good morning po.
State Auditor 3, Intelligence and Confidential Funds Audit Office, ICFAO, Silent May Del Campo.
Good morning po. Present po.
And also from COA, Supervising Auditor 4, Melanie Judy Salazar. May we also acknowledge our guests from the Department of Budget and Management, Director Elena Regina Virlantes. May we now proceed with acknowledging the presence of the members. May we acknowledge the former President, Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Deputy Speaker Raymond Mendoza. Deputy Speaker Yasser Balindong. Deputy Majority Leader Wiltel Parma. Deputy Majority Leader Franz Pomaren. Deputy Majority Leader Jude Asidre. Deputy Majority Leader Janet Garin. Deputy Majority Leader Leanda Bolilla. Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro. Deputy Majority Leader Bong Tebes. Senior Vice Chair Stella Luz Kimbo. Vice Chair Jose Alvarez. Vice Chair Greg Gasataya. Vice Chair Zia Alonto Adjong. Vice Chair Loreto Acharon. Vice Chair Natasha Ko. Vice Chair Ching Bernos. Vice Chair Jill Bongalon. Vice Chair Jocelyn Lim Caichong. Vice Chair Francisco Matugas. Vice Chair Gerardo Espina. Vice Chair Romeo Momo. Vice Chair Teodorico Haresco. Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez, Representative Arlene Brosas, Representative Patrick Vargas, Representative Salvador Plato, Representative Edwin Garjola, Representative Ricardo Cruz, Representative Mark Go, Representative Rene Ann Matibag, Representative Doris Maniquez, Representative Faustino Michael D., Representative Loreto Amante, Representative Arnan Panaligan, Representative Stephen Paduano, Representative Emerson Pascual, Representative Jefferson Conghun, Representative Ernesto Junicio, Representative Christian Onabia, and we also have Representative Rodante Marcoleta, Representative Micaela Swansing, Representative Fidel Nograles, Representative Isidro Ungab, Representative Francisco Ortega, and Vice Chair Toff de Benicia, and Representative Jervil Luiso. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
And just to confirm, COMSEC, no one from the Office of the Vice President attended.
Yes, Madam Chair, that's true.
Okay. So,
Point of inquiry, Madam Chair.
yes, please proceed. Congressman.
Madam Chair, so ibig sabihin, wala po ni isa na dumating from the Office of the Vice President para sumagot ng mga tanong ng ating mga colleagues, Madam Chair.
That is correct.
Madam Chair, kahapon kasi hindi na kami pinagtanong sa Office of the President. Tapos ngayon naman, wala naman yung Office of the Vice President para tanungin namin, Madam Chair. So Madam Chair, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit yung two highest position in the land natin ganito sa ating budget hearing sa Kongreso, no? Madam Chair, isang insulto sa mamamayang Pilipino at sa mga kinatawan dito sa loob ng Kongreso na hinalal ng mamamayan, ano? Ang hiling natin makapagpaliwanag ng accountability at ang hiling natin ay maglinaw, no, ng mga, kasi marami pa po tayong tanong kaugnay dito. She may not like our questions last hearing, Madam Chair. She may not like being questioned about the OVP expenses. She may not like sitting with us here in the House. But Madam Chair, she is accountable to the people and she has this sworn duty to the Constitution, being the head of the agency, to be here, no, para po ipagtanggol or malaman natin yung budget niya, Madam Chair. So yun lang, Madam Chair, as a manifestation. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, may I manifest also?
Congressman? Sorry, Conference.
Madam
Yes,
Chair, pwede ba kami naman muna? Hindi naman sunod-sunod na
binigyan-
sila na lang. Madam Chair, please.
So, Madam
I'd
Chair,
I'd
so
like
wala pa
to,
naman po tayo sa...
May I raise a parliamentary inquiry, Madam Chair?
Before you proceed, I'd like to remind our members for orderly proceedings, please wait to be acknowledged
Yes,
before
ma'am,
you
pero-
speak. So sa ngayon po, dahil nauna po si Kong Franz, paunahin na muna natin siya. So Kong Franz,
Eh,
please proceed.
puro sila
And
na
then
po
I will
yung-
recognize you after. Kong Dante.
Kasunod, Madam eh.
Medyo nauna lang po siya ng 1 second po.
Di ba
Kong
ang
Dante.
ating tradition, unang minority, pagkatas majority?
Wala pa po
sunod-sunod
tayo sa
naman sila.
interpellation, Kong
Oo nga
Dante.
po, pero maski na sa manifestation, dapat ganun din.
Nauna lang po siya, so yes po. Kong Franz, please proceed.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So, ang ibig sabihin nito ay kahit na binigyan natin ang Office of the Vice President na second round, no? Second time around na magpaliwanag do sa budget at magkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na siya ay matanong dahil ito naman po talaga yung mandato natin dito sa Kongreso, no? Mabusisi yung budget. So, ang ibig sabihin po nito ay binoboykot niya tayo. Pagboboykot ito, Madam Chair, dahil wala pang akong natatandaan na ahensya ng gobyerno o executive branch na binoykot ang Kongreso dito sa budget hearing and deliberation. So ang ibig sabihin, Madam Chair, betrayal of her oath of office. Kahapon nakita ko yung kanyang video na ginagalang niya yung power of the purse ng Kongreso. Alam niya na tayo po yung nag-allocate or nagbabudget or nag-approve ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya. So dahil pinapaubaya niya na sa atin ito, na hindi niya man lang i-defend kasi ang laki-laki nung Madam Chair, yung budget for socio-economic program delivery, socio-economic projects and stakeholder. Ang ibig sabihin ba niyan, inaabandonan niya na yung pinaplano niya siguro na mga constituents niya na bibigyan niya nitong mga programs na ito. So, Madam Chair, so ang problema dito, no, talagang bratinela to the the max, no? Na ayaw na ngang matanong, no? Umiiwas sa mga tanong. At ito pa, no, kapag gusto nating tanungin, hindi uma-attend doon sa ano, no. Kaya talagang Madam Chair, siguro later on kung ano yung later on na lang po, Madam Chair, yung aking magiging pasya, no, dito sa magiging budget at recommendation sa budget ng OBP. So pasensya na po ang taong bayan, binoykot tayo ng Vice President.
Salamat, Kong Franz.